Hello, good morning. I'm excited. I received my unboxing from YouTube creator. Right. Okay. So I'm very excited now. So I received this, my award from creator, Best Creator. Thank you very much from YouTube creator. Okay. See you later.
Hi!
Hello! Today is my special day. So, meron tayong surprise na dumating galing sa UFEs. So, ito
Wow!
po,
Congrats!
nag-unboxing tayo.
Ano yan?
From YouTube creator. Yay! Yay!
Wow!
So, titingnan natin.
Wow! What's that? Surprise?
Surprise! Kung ano ito.
Oh my God! I'm so excited! Oh my God!
Sorry sobrang excited. Hindi na alam kung paano buksan. Oh! Yan!
Wow!
Oh! Mm. Ayan po. Ayan.
YouTube!
Okay, YouTube. Some 100,000 subscriber. You have just how to warm you can. So, ito po ang sinasabi dito. Yan po. Hindi ko na
Wow!
babasahin
Randy
kasi
Bitao!
hahaba na
Randy
tayo.
Bitao! Congratulations! Congratulations Randy Bitao for being a YouTuber now!
Oh!
Agree.
Andito na po! Yay!
Popo! Oh my God!
Wow! Thank you. Oh my God.
Mayroon siyang
Thank
award
you
kay
very much.
YouTube.
Thank you sa
Hardship.
Thank you sa pamilya ko. Thank you sa lahat.
Subscriber mo.
And salamat po sa YouTube creator. Thank you YouTube creator. And thanks pati sa pamilya ko nagsuporta sa akin. Kaya nakuha ko ito. Okay? Thank you.
Subscriber.
Thank you very much. Okay. So, first of all, thank you very much sa God at sa mga pamilya ko at sa lalo sa mga subscriber ko sumusuporta sa akin. So, thank you to support to my vlog, Randy Vlog. So, I'm very happy this award. Kaya, lucky, I have a big heart to be. Thank you so much for all my subscriber. Thank you. And the YouTube creator also. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you. Hindi naman. Hindi pa